Salami, bad brother in a Westmead. Langley, a hold it and a Billy Prestige. Boy, happy feel we don't vex G. Hey, dad, let me take your tree, you better take it.
Yeah.
Hi guys! It's windy out and we have sun falling like rain. No, this is not water, this is sunlight. What are you guys doing? We are on the delivery trail, rain or shine. We're gonna get your items delivered to you at your doorstep. Let the breeze pass, the camera is a one, it's very strong. So come in guys, we're gonna do the delivery. Watch it. Yeah, artist. Close skirt, a big artist. Bad breed. You want to tune now? No.
One somebody street. All the guys stop it when you see job Westmead. Salami, bad brother in a Westmead. Langley, a hold it and a Billy Prestige. Boy, happy feel we don't vex G. Hey, dad, let me take your tree, you better take it. Right, this one.
Mad. Mad, my brother, mad. Guys, you see it? You see it? We bring the artist thing up. Hold on, I hear one another. Everything go bad though. Go bad. We tell you, we not rain, we still have the work. Man as one. Go bad, my brother. Alright, let's go. Here, give thanks. Guys, you see it though. We bring the artist come. We don't want the artist going in the water and I can't hear what they're going to mess up in vice. Camera ready to the cameraman. Alright. We don't want the artist come out of the house. Stop blowing guys, stop blowing. We don't want the artist to leave the house. We don't want him to mess up the vice. So we bring the item come delivered to you. Guys, there's a link somewhere here. And you hear him tune them bad, don't it? There's a link, click on the link, join us today. We're going to get your item shipped from overseas and delivered to your doorstep. What are you waiting on? Click on the link, alright? Catch you guys later, bye!